Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is unlocked and awake. This saves time. Open Settings immediately and locate Siri and search. If you don't see it, go to Accessibility. Once done, check iOS version under General about so you know which menu labels to expect. You're taking these steps to access the controls that manage voice activation, not just app behavior. Make sure to keep the phone nearby. You'll be making changes that take effect instantly and may require testing. Now you dive into the middle steps. In Siri and Search, toggle off Listen for Hey Siri. This stops hands-free triggers. Then disable Press Side button or Home for Siri if you want no shortcut activation. You're preventing accidental launches. Next, make sure voice feedback is set to Never or Control with Ring Switch to reduce spoken responses. These choices reduce both wake words and physical button activations, so voice search won't start unexpectedly during calls, media playback, or while the screen is locked. To finish, go to Settings General Keyboard and toggle off Enable Dictation. This stops keyboard mic taps invoking voice input. Once done, test by pressing the side or home button and trying the wake phrase. Nothing should respond. If you still hear activation, reboot the iPhone to clear transient settings and make sure iOS is up to date because updates can reset behavior. If problems persist, check for profiles or MDM restrictions that may enforce Siri settings. Contact support only after these checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.